Tired of watching your crypto gains sit on Coinbase? Let's turn those digital assets into real-world spending money. First, log into your Coinbase account on your computer or mobile app. We'll use the computer for this tutorial, but the process is very similar on mobile. Click the Send, Receive button located on the top right of the screen. Instead of sending, we want to sell the crypto. Select the Sell tab. Choose the cryptocurrency you'd like to withdraw funds from, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Then, enter the amount you want to sell in your local currency or the crypto amount. Next, select where you want the money to go. This can be a linked bank account, PayPal, or debit card, depending on your region and what you have set up in Coinbase. Double-check the amount you are withdrawing is correct. A confirmation screen will appear showing you the details of your withdrawal, including any fees and the estimated processing time. It's super important to review this information carefully before confirming. The confirmation page includes your transaction limits and processing times. Click Sell now to finalize the transaction. And that's it. Once the transaction is processed, the funds will be transferred to your chosen destination. To minimize fees, consider using Coinbase Pro, which often has lower transaction costs. Also, keep an eye on those processing times. Bank transfers generally take a few days, while PayPal or debit card withdrawals might be faster. Experiencing issues. Common problems include insufficient funds, needing further account verification, or exceeding withdrawal limits. Coinbase support is your best bet if you hit a snag. So, withdraw with confidence, and remember to always prioritize security when managing your crypto. See you in the next video.